babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be getting glam, honey. We are going to be using a few new makeup products. So if you want to see how I got this beautiful look, then just keep on watching. I am going to be using some new products in today's video, so I'm super excited about that. So I have this Anastasia Soft Glam palette, you guys. This is my first time actually purchasing this palette or trying it out. This is what it looks like. It's the infamous Soft Glam palette. Whoops. And I never really use like the little eyeshadow brush that comes in it anyway, so whatever. We are going to go for like a rose gold kind of look. That's kind of what I'm feeling today. The first shade I'm going in with is Burnt Orange, this beautiful shade right here. You actually may not even be able to see it, but I'm still going to go in with it because I feel like once you build colors up, it just kind of makes your eyeshadow application go a lot more smoother. So now moving on, I'm gonna go in with the shade Rustic because I want that brownish kind of look. So I'm going in with this beautiful, it's kind of like a light brown shade. So I am going for more like a halo kind of eyeshadow look. So I'm really making sure I focus the color like on the outer portion of my eye and also the inner portion. I'm excited though, girl, because I have not done a halo eyeshadow look in a really long time. Now I'm just taking this shade right here, which is the darkest brown in this palette. It's called Cyrus Umber. So I'm literally just gonna focus those colors in the same area. So right here and right here. Look how I'm creating this eyeshadow look, you guys. I've only used how many brushes so far, girl? Just one. Just one, literally just one. I feel like makeup has definitely like evolved and changed over the years because like nobody doing 30 steps to eyeshadow no more. Like this is not something I would sit down and do every day, girl. This is just something I'm doing because Valentine's Day rolling around, and also my birthday by the time you guys see this video is tomorrow. And I would go in with some black. I'm just taking a little bit more of that color, but I don't want the look to look that dark. And then also like I said, it's gonna be like a pink kind of rose gold makeup look, so I don't want anything too harsh or too dark. And that black is looking real, you know, dark as hell. It's looking like don't play with me, okay? So we ain't gonna play with you today. And I'm just gonna take this smaller blending brush. This is the Morphe M506, and that's because I need to get some more color right into this area right here. This is just a concealer that I use for my brows or something like that. I'm only using a little bit because it's not a full crease or anything like that. A full cut crease. It's real simple, girl. So now that pretty much everything is even, I'm just going in with the rose pink in this palette. It's a beautiful, beautiful pink shade, and I'm just using another brush just to make sure things don't get messy because we are working with shimmers. So I'm gonna leave it just like this. I'm not gonna set it or anything. So I'm just going in with this pink shade right here. It is called Rose Pink from the palette. And then I'm also taking my M421 brush and applying that right where we applied that concealer. These shimmers in this palette are really nice. I'm acting like this is my first Anastasia palette, girl. So let's go ahead and pop on these lashes, and the lashes that I'm using are from AliExpress, and they're just these little silk lashes right here. They're A39 lashes. So yeah, I'm gonna pop these on and I'm gonna be right back. So before I move on to continue doing the face, I am gonna use a little bit of black eyeliner. And I did forget that I did want to add a little something extra to this eyeshadow. It's not quite a glitter, but it's kind of like a pigment, because I really want like the inner part of my lid, like the halo effect, to really pop, and I feel like this glitter is gonna do it for me. I chose these lashes, girl. They bold, honey. Okay, they are bold, but why not? Because it's my birthday and I want to be cute. I love a lash that allows you to see the hard work that you input, especially when doing your eyeshadow. Like, you don't want your shadow to be covered up by like big, thick, full lashes that has no spacing in between, no wispiness to them. You can't even see your hard work. Okay, so yeah. Oh, first we do liner, then we do glitter, honey. You never want to do glitter first. Okay, take it from me. So I'm just taking the same brush that I used to apply the shimmer shade, spritzing my brush just a little bit, getting it wet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go right in with this shimmer. So for my concealer, I'm using this Milani one. I have been loving this concealer so much, you guys. So I'm going to use it to highlight with, and just to kind of clean up the areas. So to set everything well, the places that I highlighted, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. I'm just using my good old faithful Black Radiance Soft Focus powder. And to bronze up the face, I'm using my Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Phenom. And it looks like this. It's the old packaging. I don't think they changed the formula or anything. I think the only thing that's changed was some of the names. For my blush, I feel like I have not used this in a while. This is the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush Volume 2 palette. And I had actually been eyeing this color, so I think I'm gonna use this color, even though like my makeup look is kind of pink. Normally I would go for like a more pinky blush, but today I'm going for more like a coral. It's kind of like a mix between an orange and a pink. This is so pretty, y'all. I'm loving this blush. Oh my god, is this my first time using this? Because I mean, this is real cute. This is so pretty. Before I move on to do anything else, I am going to go ahead and snatch up the nose, and I'm just using this L'Oreal powder, Pro Matte powder in the shade Cocoa. I feel like I never use my bronzer shade because the bronzer, you just want that to naturally be a lot darker anyway, and I feel like you don't want like a really dark nose contour right slap in the middle of your face, girl. So always just use a powder that's just a little bit or one shade darker than what your actual skin tone is. So I just quickly curl my hair off camera, and I also put on my earrings, and I'm feeling myself. I'm looking cute, okay? So I'm just taking this Laura Geller highlighter, and I'm just applying a little bit to my nose, down the bridge of my nose, because I do want to look a little glowy. I was debating on if I wanted any highlighter, but I'm like, you know what? It's only right. It's only right that I do a little bit of highlighter. So I am not done with the eyes. I'm not really doing pretty much anything else to the eyes, but I do want to go ahead and go in with just some black mascara on my bottom lash line. I want to keep this look very very light and very just really cute and very feminine and girly. So I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of mascara. Y'all know I'm not the one, honey, okay? And I'm not really a fan of having a bunch of product, eyeshadow, liner, all of that on my bottom line, my lash line, my waterline, none of that, girl, because I feel like just some simple mascara is enough sometimes. Especially when you already have like smaller eyes and stuff, girl. You gotta be careful, because if not, like, especially black eyeliner, I can't believe I'm talking and doing this, but especially black liner, you will look like it can make your eyes look a lot more smaller than they already are. Mine aren't big, but they aren't small either. So filling in my mole, I'm just using this black liner. So of course the last thing we have to jump into is lips. So thank you so much to Nanade Beauty for sending me over these lip products. You guys, this packaging is so cute. I know the camera is probably washing it out, but it's like this beautiful blush pink box. Even the writing is so cute. Y'all know how I feel about packaging, honey. If this is not your first time watching me, I love good packaging, and I love the rose gold. That's why I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and just do a whole rose gold look. And this box is so cute. They sent me so many goodies. So I got this cute little pouch. You can even attach this to something else, a keychain or something if you want. And I love that I can probably fit all of my glosses and lip products that they sent me in here, or that I need for the time being. So I pretty much have a mixture of liquid lipsticks and lip glosses. Y'all, growing up, like, my lips are natural. I don't get filler or anything like that. But growing up, you guys, I used to get joked on for my lips, honey. But now they paying for it, okay? They paying to get lips like this, period. Okay, and teeth too, per my dentist. Stop playing with me. Packaging is super gorgeous, super cute. Again, I love the soft blush pink and rose gold thing that they have going on here. So this first shade that I'm going to try out, and I love that the shades are actually on the bottom of the gloss, even if you happen to misplace the actual box that it came in. So this color is called Skin. I love the applicator. Okay, so this is definitely a peachy kind of nude color. I love this. It has really good color payoff, you guys. As y'all can see, like, the color ain't playing, okay? But for my skin tone, I rather much have it with a lip liner. So I am gonna go ahead and put on a lip liner. This lip is actually cute with this makeup look. It's actually really pretty. I love the fact that I can get a whole like lip gloss and lipstick in one. Like, I love it. I don't have to do both, not necessarily. So I am gonna just take my Holy Grail lip liner. It's just the Wet n Wild. It's actually an eye pencil, but we use it as lip liner on this channel, okay? It is so beautiful. And I will say, the gloss is not super glossy. That's why I say it's kind of like a mix between a gloss and a lipstick. But it's nothing, honey. It's nothing that a good old clear gloss cannot fix, okay? Good old clear gloss can fix this. But it's actually really pretty. I feel like when the lips aren't as glossy, the lip color lasts a lot longer. So this is pretty much what it's looking like with a little bit of lip liner. I love these names, girl. So the next one I have is called Snatched. And Snatched seems to be the darkest color that they sent. So I'm going to see what Snatched looks like. Not my first choice, but it's cute. I feel like all of the nude glosses that they sent me pretty much are like a peachy kind of nude, but this is cute. It's cute. And then the last gloss color they sent was Honeydew. And this is what Honeydew looks like. It's just like a medium tone, so it's kind of right in the middle of Skin and Snatched. Now for the matte liquid lipsticks, I am going to try on a few shades of this. So, ooh, so many pretty colors. So the first liquid lipstick I have to try out is Bestie. Beautiful mauve pink shade, super pretty. So the applicator is different on the matte liquid lipsticks. It's a lot smaller and it's still the doe foot applicator. It's just a little bit, the shape is a little bit different. I honestly feel like the brush for the lip glosses, like the brush is to be reversed. I really do feel like that. Because you know when you're doing like liquid lip, like you really want to make sure that Cupid's bow is sharp. Wow, this is super pretty, but it definitely needs a lip liner. Super pretty. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this liner around it just to kind of like tone it down a little bit. Ooh, let's put Skin on top of this liquid lipstick. Oh, I bet it's gonna be so pretty. Oh, that's cute. Girl, that's cute. Like, we stopping right here. This is super cute. I love this. So I paired Skin with which is a lip gloss, with Bestie, which is the matte liquid lipstick, and then I just put a lip liner around it, this chocolate lip liner, and I'll put some clear gloss on top. This is gonna be the lip, honey. Okay, let's do one more thing. So they also sent this color right here. Like, this pink right here is definitely my type of vibe. So this is in the shade Rose. And this definitely gives me the vibes of like, what is it called? Mac Snob? Oh my gosh, girl. So we're gonna put, we're gonna put a little bit of this in the middle. Oh my gosh, this is my color. So this shade right here is another matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Spice. I love that the matte liquid lipsticks have the frosted packaging and the glosses have like the glossy packaging. How cute. So I feel like Spice is a matte version of Snatch and Honeydew kind of mixed together. And then they also have a red. I really want to try this red, but I'm actually going to go ahead and save this for another video. So if you guys want to see what the red looks like on my skin tone and on my lips, I'm saving this for another video. And this one is called Fine Apple. Beautiful shade, and it looks like it's a blue based red, which I love, so I cannot wait to try this out. Ooh, this is really pretty. And the last shade I have to show you in the liquid lipstick is Flambe. And this is pretty. Like, this is giving like a terracotta. Oh my god, this is reminding me of, I don't know if you guys remember, but I was doing a Get Ready With Me and I was going for like that chocolate kind of feel, and this is definitely giving me that vibe. So I cannot wait to try this one in another video coming soon as well. So I'll be sure to link everything down in my description bar below. I love the brand, I love the name, I love the packaging, the glosses, the liquid lipsticks. I love it all, girl. I also have a coupon code and I will insert it somewhere in this video, or I will also leave it down in my description bar below, as well as their direct website. So be sure to check out the description bar in this video. That is pretty much it. Like, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.